Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Girly Dumali Minted, 40 years old, widow with two kids, ages 16 years old and 14 years old, living at Barangay Patindigin, Midsaya, North Cotabato, Philippines. I have 2 brothers and 5 sisters. I am the third child of the family. I am a high school graduate mom. I have work experience in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper for 4 years to a couple with 2 kids, ages 2 years old and a newborn baby. I do all my household chores like cleaning the house, cooking, ironing, laundrying, and take care of the kids. Please select me, Ma'am, as your helper because I am very responsible, hardworking, and honest person. And I promise to finish my contract and very much willing to extend as long as you need, Ma'am. Thank you and God bless.